What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pirate Boy 101. Yes, we've got a little add-on to the stash here. We have the Lava Family by Skycrafter, which is basically Brothers Pyrotechnics. 4 really nice big cone fountains. In the whole pack, we get 120 grams. And performance on these: golden flower with red crackling. It goes green crackling and purple crackling, so each of them have a nice crackling effect at the end. They're all 30 gram each. Really nice high performance display sort of fountains. Really highly recommend this pack. And then we do have, this is the Stargazer selection box by Zeus Fireworks. Never had this box. Really looking forward to letting it off. Hopefully try and get a video of it. If I don't, I do apologise if I don't, but I will definitely try to. How many grams at NEC? I don't know if it tells me the total grams. No, it doesn't tell me the total grams, but it tells me grams for each firework, so 15 to 20 gram to 20 gram is the highest NEC count in this box. Oh, just one falling out there. Yeah, you get nice fountains in here. Really thin 10 short candles, but they're actually really good. Really thin, but really high quality little candles. Then you got 3 shot green. We've got some 5 shot candles of green to red crackle. So yeah, guys. I'm not gonna bother doing a whole unboxing of this. You already know what kind of selection boxes like this do, really. But you do get a nice variety in here, and you get some nice little single pieces here. They're called happiness fountains. A bit like the Wecco boxes where they did the Flintstone ones. But yeah, guys, this is the Stargazer. And hopefully I get a video of this going off for you guys. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching Pirate Boy 101. See you in the next one, guys.